Want to unlock your Android phone faster and keep your data more secure? In this guide, I'll show you turn on fingerprint recognition on Android in just a few simple steps. Open the Settings app on your Android phone. You can find it in your app drawer or by tapping the gear icon in the Quick Settings panel. Next, scroll down and tap Security and Privacy. Depending on your phone's brand and Android version, you may instead see Biometrics and Security or simply Security. From there, tap Biometrics or Fingerprints to continue. You'll now be asked to verify your identity by entering your current PIN, password, or pattern. If you haven't created one yet, your phone will guide you through setting one up first. This serves as a backup method whenever your fingerprint can't be recognized. After verifying your identity, tap Continue to begin registering your fingerprint. Place the finger you want to use on the fingerprint sensor, then lift and press it repeatedly. Make sure to slightly change the angle of your finger each time. This helps your phone capture every part of your fingerprint, making recognition faster and more accurate in everyday use. Keep following the on-screen instructions until the progress reaches 100%. Once the scan is complete, tap Done. Finally, make sure the fingerprint unlock or fingerprint recognition toggle is turned on. You can also choose to add additional fingerprints, such as another finger or thumb, for extra convenience. From now on, you can unlock your phone quickly with your fingerprint instead of entering your PIN every time. For the best results, keep both your finger and the fingerprint sensor clean and dry, as dirt or moisture can affect recognition accuracy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.